Emma and Ethan have been friends since college, sharing a love for slow travel, long conversations, and small mysteries that appear at the edges of ordinary life. When Emma finds an old hand-drawn map tucked inside a used book, the two decide to follow it on a weekend trip. Their journey takes them through quiet towns, forest paths, and unexpected memories. Along the way, they discover something deeper, that every road walked together shines a little brighter. This story is told mainly through their dialogue, with simple, expressive language and gentle emotional turns.
Huh. What's this doing here? This looks strange, kind of charming too.
Hey, Emma! I thought I recognized your car outside. Should have known you'd be hiding in the book corner.
I found something inside this book.
Is it a secret message telling you the universe loves you? Because honestly, that would be great.
Not exactly. Look.
This is surprisingly cool. It feels like something from a treasure hunt movie. Where'd you get the book?
Right there on the shelf. It's just an old travel journal. But this wasn't part of the print.
And the star. Classic mystery symbol. 10 out of 10.
Do you think it's real or maybe someone's art project?
Only one way to know. We should follow it.
You're serious?
Completely. It's Saturday tomorrow. Who needs a normal weekend? We can drive out, follow the map, see if the star leads to, I don't know, a nice view, a weird rock, or maybe an old promise someone forgot.
You always make simple things sound poetic.
It's a talent, valuable in exactly 0 practical situations.
All right, let's do it.
Great! Mystery Map Expedition begins at 9 a.m. Bring snacks.
You say that like we won't stop for snacks anyway.
Okay, navigator. Where to first?
Follow the main road for 20 minutes, then turn onto a smaller road that leads toward the forest. After that, well, the map gets a little vague.
Vague mysteries are the best kind. It means nobody is disappointed.
Or it means we'll get lost.
Same thing, really.
I keep wondering who made this and why hide it in a book?
Maybe they wanted someone adventurous to find it.
Or someone bored.
Lucky for the universe, you're both.
Hey!
A charming combination, and very functional for this trip.
It's beautiful here.
See? Already worth it.
There should be a small wooden bridge right there. The star mark seems further ahead, maybe a mile into the forest?
We walk then. I brought water and the emergency chocolate.
Emergency chocolate?
You never know when morale will drop.
You ever think about taking a long trip, like months?
Sometimes, but I always find reasons not to.
Like what?
Work, money, my cat. The fear of making a big decision and regretting it later.
Yeah, I get that. But sometimes staying still is also a decision, just unnoticed.
You're good at making me think. It's either that or make bad jokes. I try to balance.
This must be it.
So, what are we looking for? Treasure, a letter, ancient wisdom carved into bark?
Maybe nothing. Maybe just a place someone loved.
If that's the case, they had good taste.
I feel like we're missing something, though.
Let's look around carefully.
Ethan, over here.
Okay, this is officially cooler than I expected.
Lantern? Like the name of the road on the map.
Read letter.
To whoever finds this place saved me during a hard time. I hope it gives you light too. If you're lost, follow the lantern. It will make sense when you need it most.
Cryptic. I like it.
Ethan, does this feel strange to you?
Strange good, yes. Strange bad, not yet. Could become either.
Let's keep going.
So, this lantern thing, thoughts?
Maybe it's symbolic. Or maybe there's an actual lantern somewhere.
If it's actual, I hope it glows dramatically.
It feels meaningful somehow, even if I don't know why.
Maybe meaning comes after the adventure, not before.
According to the map, we should park near that bend.
Look, the same lantern symbol.
Yes, faint, but it's here. Someone carved it long ago.
Why place the symbol in two different places? The oak tree and here?
Maybe to mark a path, or maybe part of a story.
This feels peaceful. Like the kind of place someone would come to think.
You ever sit somewhere and feel like it knows your secrets, even without asking you?
Plenty. Usually my kitchen at 3 a.m., but yes, I understand the feeling.
This one feels different, though, like it's asking a question.
And what question is that?
Where are you going?
Good question. I've been asking myself that lately, too.
Really?
Yeah, work's been heavy, and I keep wondering if I'm just moving through days instead of choosing them.
You never told me.
I didn't want to sound dramatic.
Talking isn't dramatic, it's just real.
You're good at this. Listening without fixing.
Fixing what?
Exactly.
What if this is part of a journey someone took? Like they place these symbols as reminders.
Reminders of what?
To look for light, or direction, or maybe hope.
Then maybe we're supposed to leave something too.
Like what?
Here. Draw something.
Me? Why?
Because your drawings always look like they're smiling.
A wave? Really?
Symbolic. Movement, change. Also, it's cute.
There. Our small part.
Let's keep following the map. We're not done yet.
This is definitely not a tourist route.
Maybe that's the point.
Or maybe we're heading straight into a horror movie.
Please don't say that while driving into a forest.
Oh, wow.
Now this is officially mysterious.
Should we go in?
Absolutely. It would be rude not to investigate.
You mean trespass?
Investigate with respect. The lantern.
Feels heavier than it looks.
Does it work?
There's something here.
Another no?
If you've come this far, then you understand. Light isn't always brightness. Sometimes it's direction. Sometimes it's a person. Sometimes it's a moment that makes you choose again. Take the lantern with you until you find your own road.
This person sure liked metaphors.
Or they really needed light in their life.
Maybe both. Do you think someone lived here will try to figure out their life?
Could be. People sometimes build quiet places when they're lost.
You too?
Maybe. I think I've been trying to find a new direction, but I haven't told anyone.
You just did.
Yeah, I guess I did.
Whatever direction you choose, Ethan, you won't be alone. I mean, unless you want to be.
No, I don't want to be.
Let's take the lantern. It feels like part of the journey.
And it makes us look extremely cool.
We're officially off the digital grid.
Feels nice.
Strangely freeing, like the road belongs only to us.
It's beautiful.
Is this the end of the map?
Yes, the lantern symbol appears again right at the bottom of the page.
You ever think some places feel bigger on the inside than outside?
Like a memories?
Yeah, or like they hold pieces of people who stood there before.
Maybe this was the last stop for the person who drew the map. Maybe this was the place they found clarity.
And what about us? What do we find here?
Maybe the reminder to choose, to not stay stuck just because staying is easier.
You're talking about your life or mine?
Both, maybe. You know, this trip wasn't just fun for me. It helped more than I expected.
Same. I think I know what direction I want to take. Finally, even if it scares me.
And?
I want to build something new for myself, something I actually chose. And I want you to be part of it, if you want.
I'd like that.
So, what do we do with the lantern?
Maybe we leave it here for the next person who needs it.
Full circle.
It feels right.
Yeah. A good ending.
Or maybe a beginning.
You know, we never solved who made the map.
I don't think we needed to.
True. Some mysteries are better felt than solved.
I hope someone finds it someday.
And I hope they read our wave pebble on the ridge.
A tiny mark, but still a mark.
Like us. Tiny marks on each other's lives.
I'm glad we did this trip.
Me too. Best random life decision of the month.
Only the month?
Fine. The year.
Ethan,
Yeah?
thanks for driving with me on the actual road and, the other one.
Always, Emma.